Have you ever wondered what truly happens inside your body after a single bite of spinach? The moment it touches your tongue, enzymes awaken and a glowing chain reaction begins. As it travels down your body, every organ comes alive. The stomach ignites digestion, the liver filters and transforms, the heart pulses brighter, and oxygen merges with radiant nutrients in your lungs. Your brain lights up with clarity, while your muscles absorb waves of power. From cell to cell, light spreads like electricity, revealing the hidden beauty of how nature's design and your body's brilliance work as one. In just moments, spinach becomes pure life, energy, and harmony.